Before we start this video, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we're dropping more videos like this, cinematics, stuff that I do to my cars. And yeah, I really appreciate it if you guys did. It really would help the channel. Let's get to 20k subs. We're at 15 right now. So you want a lip kit for your EP3, but you don't know what the fuck is out there, right? Before you make the bad decision of getting something very untasteful, watch this video because we're gonna give you some knowledge. Okay, there is a lot of modifications out there nowadays, a lot of replicas, a lot of real stuff, and whatever you get, I could care less. More respect to you if you get real stuff. The average person's not gonna be able to whip out the bands for a full Mugen kit, so this is your options. Now bear in mind, you do have to put a good amount of money down in order for you to do things right. Okay, now we have a lot of options for the EP3 that you could do, considering that this car was not the most popular Civic, but there are a lot of modifications for it, just like the EK and all that. So now starting with OEM stuff, let's go on ahead. So now starting with OEM, we have the USDM SI. So 0203 came with no body kit at all, just the regular bumper, and that's it, and the regular wing, which is the ugliest little thing, pathetic little thing ever. Now 0405 came with side skirts, looks a little better, same ones that I have, mine's an 04. Then you have the 03 and up HFP kit. So now the HFP kit is considered 03 and up only because of the colorways that it came with. Now you could run the HFP kit on an 02, just the OEM colors are not the same. You'd have to paint them yourself. So yes, you can run the HFP kit on any year EP3. Now CTR, which is a Civic Type R, comes from England or Japan. Now these cars are a little bit different because in the US we have bigger bumpers because of the rebar that we have in the United States. It's way bigger. It's for safety regulations or whatever. And in Europe and Japan, they like to live dangerously, just like I do. No rebar. No, I'm just kidding. England and Japan have smaller ones. You would need that rebar in order to run any of these JDM or European spec bumpers. The 01 to 03 CTR comes with the full kit. Obviously it's the bumper, the rear bumper, the wing. The side skirts are different from the SI. They're a lot taller towards the rear end. They look wicked. And then you have the front lip and then the rear lip, which is in my opinion the best kit out there. As mentioned, you do need the rebars in order to run this kit. Same thing goes for the 04 to 06, which is the facelift. It's a more aggressive one. A lot of people like this one. Personally, I don't. It's a little bit too much for me, but that's not to say it doesn't look good. Same thing, you need the same rebars. Now for the wing, you need to cut part of it off on the back side where it touches the glass, because the CTR's rear hatch glass is like curved differently, smaller for whatever reason, so you'd have to cut the wing a little bit in order for it to fit properly. I purchased mine already pre-cut, or you could just get the full rear hatch, the full JDM hatch or European hatch to run it, which is doing a little more than what's needed. But if you're a purist and you want the full, OEM non-broken thing, go ahead, do it. For aftermarket body kits, there's a lot of replicas out there, as mentioned before. It's up to you if you want to get a rep or not. Now Buddy Club kit, we have the Buddy Club kit. This one is a little outlandish in my opinion. We're not trying to use the word racer anymore. We're trying to steer away from that because it is an offensive term. So we're gonna go with outlandish or something else. I don't give a shit. Fuck you. So Buddy Club, it's a little outlandish, a little too much in my opinion. It does look good though if you do it right, all one color. Yeah, I think that looks great. You could get the fake version on eBay for a lot cheaper. You probably will have a lot more difficult time finding a real Buddy Club kit. Same thing with the Mugen kit. The Mugen kit over here has I believe it just comes with like this little center bumper plate carbon thing that like goes into like the license plate holder for the CTR, and then you have the Mugen lip, and then it comes with the Mugen grill. Now I believe you do need the CTR front bumper in order to run this kit. And up next we have the Wings West kit, which is just a lip, I believe, for like an OEM bumper. Then following that we have the Jays Racing fenders. Now the Jays Racing fenders is just fenders, a little bit wider. It does extend your fenders 15 millimeters. I like it. It looks OEM plus. I would actually like to own a pair of these one day. I have never seen knockoffs of these. I would not get knockoffs of these at all. Another option would be the Anointed Arrow fenders. So the Anointed Arrow fenders are an over fender. They go over your original fenders, I believe, and it's kind of like a wide body kit basically, and it just looks aggressive as shit. Yeah, so these are a 30 millimeter extension from your original fenders. These are badass. Then you have the HB kit. So the HB kit, I don't know what, I've never seen an original kit. I've only seen like the Duraflex version. So I don't know what this is a knockoff of, but it looks good if done right. I've seen it done good before on Instagram. But yeah, now there are kits, CTR kits, that will fit the USDM version SI on eBay. They're just molded to fit the OEM SI body. That being said, it probably is a bad fitment, just like the Airwalker lip that I have. Can't forget about Airwalker. So the fake Airwalker lip basically fits onto my USDM front bumper, which is, you know, an option that you could do as well for the CTR kit. You just got to find it on eBay. And last but not least, we do have the Airwalker kit. Now the real Airwalker kit looks so fucking good. That's my dream setup right there. I want that, but you know, just waiting to see if I can find a real CTR bumper out here before I full send and ship one over. So that being said, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think I should do next, what car. I'm probably gonna do a 9th gen since I have a 9th gen. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learned something from this. If I said anything wrong or I miscalculated, or you have something else to add, go ahead, drop it in the comments. Let this be a positive environment, like a thread for us to share for EP3s. And yeah, let me know what else you guys want to see on the channel regarding the EP3 or another car or etc. information, whatever. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we're gonna upload next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Dreamland.